Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today I'll teach you the basic of the crochet. Okay, so let's get started. You need the yarn and crochet hook. Here I am using 2 mm crochet hook and 4-ply yarn. So we'll start from the slip knot. Most of the crochet projects started with the slip knot. So how to make it? Now take the yarn like this. Here I am taking the tail end and going to wrap the yarn around my finger like so, and this working yarn through this loop that is there on my finger. Pull this through the loop. So here is the slip knot. Okay. Now you can undo it just by pulling it like this. So here once more I am sewing. So wrap the yarn around my finger like that and the working yarn through the loop. Okay, and pull it and you will get your slip knot. Now how to hold your hook? Here I hold mine like this. It's called knife hold. Just how you would hold a knife. Now how to hold the yarn? I am holding the yarn around my pointer finger like this. Okay, and thumb, and you are going to pinch just underneath the slip knot. Now here I am starting the chain. Okay, so at first wrap the yarn around the hook and bring your hook towards you and through the loop. Okay, so you get the chain. Once again I am okay, so wrap your yarn around the hook and grab the yarn and pull it through the loop. So this is called yarn over and pull it through the loop. So let's take a look. So this is the chain stage. Okay. Now single crochet. Okay. Let's see how to make the single crochet. Okay. So first one, this is called hook. This is the hook. Now first chain is this one, the first chain. Second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th, like this. Okay, so in single crochet we'll start from the second chain. Insert the hook on the second chain. So insert your hook on the second chain. Insert. Okay, now pull the yarn only through the first loop. Okay, so you have now 2 loops. Now wrap your yarn around the hook and pull the yarn through the both loops. So you get your first single crochet. Again I am sewing. Insert your hook, wrap the yarn, pull it through the loop. Now you get the 2 loops. Now again wrap the yarn and pull it through both the loops. Again you can see, insert your hook, pull the yarn through the loop, you get the 2 loops. Now again you pull the yarn like this. Okay, So here I am doing rest of the single crochet. So here single crochet is done. Now we'll start the next one, half double crochet. So for that one we'll do the same thing. At first we'll make the slip knot like this. We'll make some chains. Here I am doing around 18 chains. Okay, so in half double crochet we'll take the third chain. Okay, so this is the hook, 1 2 3, third chain. Okay, so wrap the yarn around the hook like that. You just wrap. Okay, again I'm showing, wrap the yarn. Now insert the hook on the 1 2 3 third chain. Insert. Now pull the yarn through the loop. Now here you get 3 loops. Okay, now again wrap the yarn around the hook and pull the yarn through the loops. So you get the half double crochet. Again I am showing, wrap the yarn. Now insert your hook, pull the yarn through the loop. Now again wrap the yarn around the hook and pull it through the loops. So you get your half double crochet. Again I am doing like that. I am doing rest of the half double crochet. Okay, so here you get the half double crochet. Now we'll do the double crochet. Okay, so at first we'll do the same slip knot like this and we'll make some chain. Here I am doing chain around 18. Now in double crochet we'll insert the hook on the fourth chain. Okay, so first one is hook, 1 2 3 4, this is the fourth chain. Okay, we'll insert the hook on the fourth chain. At first wrap the yarn around the hook. Now insert the hook on the fourth chain. Again I am showing, wrap the yarn, now insert the hook on the fourth chain. Now pull the yarn through the loop. Here you get the 3 loops. Okay, now again you wrap the yarn and pull it through 2 loops, first 2 loops. Again you get 2 loops, then again you wrap the yarn and pull it through the 2 loops. So you get the double crochet. Again I am showing, insert the hook, pull the yarn, you get the 3 loops, then again wrap the yarn and pull it through 2 loops, first 2 loops, then again you wrap the yarn and pull it through 2 loops. Okay, so this is the double crochet. I am showing again. I am making rest of the double crochet. You can pause the video, then again you play it slowly and you can check how I am doing. Okay, so double crochet is done. It is how double crochet look. Okay, now we will start that triple crochet. For this also I am starting from the slip knot. After slip knot we will make some chains. Here also I am doing chains around 18. Okay, okay, so in triple crochet we'll insert the hook on the 5th chain. Okay, so here I am counting, this is the hook, first one, this is the hook. Now first chain, second chain, third, fourth and this is the 5th chain. Okay, we'll insert the hook on this 5th chain. Here in triple crochet we'll wrap the yarn around the hook by 2 times. Okay, first I'm wrapping the yarn 1, then again you wrap 2. Okay, so 2 times. Now you insert the hook on the 5th chain, first, second, third, fourth, 5th chain. Insert the hook. Now I'm pulling the yarn through the loop. Now here I am getting 1 2 3 4 loops. Okay, at first I pull the yarn through 2 loops, first 2 loops, then again pull the yarn on the second 2 loops. Now again pull the yarn on the third 2 loops. Okay, again I am showing around, wrap the yarn 2 times, then insert the hook on the second chain. Now pull the yarn through the first 2 loops, pulling the yarn first 2 loops. Now again you wrap the yarn and pull the yarn through second 2 loops. Now third time I am pull the yarn this last 2 loops. Okay, like that I am doing. If you are confused, then you can slow the video and slowly you can see how I am doing. This is not that much of tough things. Okay, once you can understand, then you can do the rest of the things. You have to keep practice. Okay, if you have any doubt or any confusion or any query, then you can comment in below. Okay, so this is the triple crochet done. I hope you understand all those things, that single crochet, double crochet, half double crochet and triple crochet. Keep practicing, friend. Thank you.